Well, I'm about to reveal to the world my completely wore out engine. Broken gears, broken engine cases. Look at the grooves in this clutch basket. Look at this. All patches, patched up, cracks everywhere, cracks in the case there. Everything is wore out. Shift shaft, grooves in it. Crank rolls rough now. Completely, this engine is completely wore out. But lucky for me, all of these parts fit in there. This is the bottom end that I got on eBay. It looks barely used. If you look at that clutch cover, you can see that's where somebody's boot wears all the time, and it's barely even scuffed. So, I'm going to break that one down. There's a gasket set and seals, just to make sure that there's nothing wrong with this engine. And then I'm going to just put my cylinder, and over here I've got a new piston to put in there, and should be ready to rip here in about 6 hours. Wish me luck.